None are special, all are equal. This world is now a world of blatant injustice, a world in which wrongdoers are protected at the expense of those who desire to see justice being done. This world is now a backward world, a world that values people's feelings ahead of their physical well-being, a world that openly works to protect the dishonest and the irresponsible. I ask you, how on earth did we get into this terrible mess? How did reason become usurped by political correctness? How was intelligence eventually replaced by stupidity? I will tell you one of the main reasons. Many years ago, our leaders made the fundamental mistake of elevating those in minority groups above the rest in our society. They were made out to be a special case, mostly as a result of their previous treatment. Previous treatment, which I do agree, was in many cases truly disgusting. Nonetheless, to elevate any group above the rest in any society is nothing less than a recipe for disaster. Why? As those groups will undoubtedly work to expand their newfound position of advantage, mostly by falsely accusing those who deny them their wishes as being anti whatever their race or religion may happen to be, or by simply labelling those who deny them as racists. A stance that can only lead to the preferential treatment they already receive becoming ever more noticeable, with anyone who may attempt to expose the new state of injustice being bullied and oppressed for attempting to do so. A situation that in turn allows things to further deteriorate, for the situation to become even further out of balance, as it were. Now, I do understand that those who originally set this terrible state of affairs in motion may indeed have had the well-being of those who were then being ill-treated uppermost in their minds, but that in no way helps to diffuse this now highly explosive situation. A situation which, even though it is now as noticeable as it is, our leaders continue to deny the existence of. A situation that has now changed many of those who were originally the oppressed into oppressors themselves. You see, for there to be seen to be a system of justice that is working correctly in any nation, absolutely everyone must be treated equally. There can be no special cases, no matter how anyone has previously been treated. I mean, surely you yourself must have noticed the now highly contradictory nature of things. You must have noticed that what is now considered to be politically correct is far from what is actually correct, if you are honest. That we do now in fact live in a world of blatant injustice. Peace to everyone.